Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the EOMONTH function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function is used to simply return the last day of the month not this date right here, but this date plus a certain number of months. So let's say for example here we have May 1st and we add 2 months to May 1st. It's going to be the 1st of July. And then if you enter the EOMONTH function, it's simply going to enter the 31st of July. It will give it to you in the format of a serial number. So let's say right here we have a date. So if we put it in the format of a serial number, just like this, by writing down general, you'll receive this. So inside of Microsoft Excel, each date has a serial number starting from the 1st January of 1900. So for this serial number, for example, we know that the date will be the 1st May 2043. Now, if we run this function and we try it out, so I'll put it in the format of long date, and I simply write down EOMONTH, and I open up my parentheses, I will have two arguments that I have to enter. The first one will be the start date. So in our case, it's going to be this, the 1st May 2043. And the second argument will be months. So how many months we want to add to this date. So it's going to be 2. Once we run this function, we are going to receive the last day of the month that we have. So if we run it, as you can see, it's going to be the 31st July. So if, for example, here we change our date, so instead of the 1st May, it's going to be the 17th of May, the answer is going to be the same because we add 2 months and we're looking for the last day of the month of July. Normally, it's all going to be in the format of serial numbers. So this is the serial number that we have. So if we change the serial number and we write down 50,000, for example, we are going to have the 31st January 2037. So if we convert it into a date format, it's going to be the 21st November 2036 plus 2 months. It's going to be January, and the last day of January, it's going to be the 31st. So this is how we use the EOMONTH function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you liked this video and you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, you can check out my courses in the link down below. And as always, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.